Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings. As you can see, at the second place we have the horizontal level option, so this is our leveler here. By using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works. Now let me keep this turned on and let's go to the camera again. And here we are. As you can see, it shows us this line, and this is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how it works. And of course, when we don't need this, we go back to the settings in the right corner, tap on the horizontal level once again, and for now this option is turned off, and here the leveler has gone. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.